Hey guys, I'm back at Harbor Freight. Gonna show you the top deals you should be going for the new super coupons they just released. And you do have until November 9th for these deals to use these coupons. I'm starting off here with the Hallmaster adjustable triple ball mount hitch. They don't have the triple ball here on display, but this is what it looks like. This is normally priced at $159. But you can save 20 bucks on it with the coupon, so it's only $139. All right, guys, so gear up for November. At the beginning of November, I'm going to be announcing another gift card giveaway to one lucky winner. Throughout the month, I'm going to be doing a drawing. At the end of towards the beginning of December, I'm going to pick a winner, and I will announce the details of it at the beginning of the month, so be sure to be subscribed to the channel and be notified. That way you are aware of the details of the drawing and how to enter and what to comment on the videos. So be sure to subscribe, help me get to 15,000 subscribers. I do really appreciate the support. Now let's move along to the deals. And they have this Pittsburgh nylon pry bar installer kit. It's 4 pieces of different prying tools. It is normally priced at $849, but you can save 41% on it. So it's only gonna be $4.99 for it. It's a great deal. But they still have the Pittsburgh 5-piece mold and trim set for $549 with on the instant savings, and it was $8.99. You do have until October 30th for that one though. And if you're in need of a gas air compressor, they have this one by Fortress. It is a 9-gallon, 135 psi. It does have dual tanks and a single wheel there, so you can cart it around. It also has handles on the other end to be able to push it around. So they have this one normally priced at $1,200, but you can save $200 on it with the coupon, so it's only gonna be $9.99. And they have this Predator 200-watt folding solar panel, so it's nice and portable. It has a hard plastic handles to it, so it makes easy transportation. It weighs just 18.25 pounds, and it can handle up to 1,000 watt-hours of output per day. They say it's super lightweight. It has adjustable kickstand too, so you can set it up anywhere on the ground. It is normally priced at $229, or you're gonna be able to save $30 on it, so it's only $199, which is about the price you want to be at for a solar panel anyways, is $1 per watt. And they have this Pittsburgh 1/2-inch, 18-inch breaker bar by Pittsburgh. It's all one nice solid handle, and they have that normally priced at $14.99. But with the coupon, you can save 33% on that. So it's only gonna be $9.99. Pretty good deal there, especially with it including a lifetime warranty. They have this Pittsburgh 3-piece impact socket adapter set. The sizes are 1/2-inch to 3/8, 1/2-inch to 3/4, and 3/4 to 1/2-inch. They have this normally priced at $7.99, but with the coupon, you're gonna be saving 37% on it, so it's gonna be $4.99. And they have these Pittsburgh 10-inch groove joint pliers on sale in case you missed the time when they were offering the 35% off all pliers. They have this normally priced at $6.99, but they have the coupon where you save 28%, so it's only going to be $4.99. And next up is the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch teardrop composite ratchet. It does come with a nice high-vis rubberized handle with it. They do have it normally priced at $16.99, but you're going to be able to save 23% on it, so it's only going to be $12.99. They're out of stock at this store, but it's the Pittsburgh 32-ounce ball peen hammer that is normally priced at $9.99. They do have a great deal on it, saving 40% off, so it's only going to be $5.99. It's a great deal. They have a couple good deals on a couple different Braun flashlights. So they have this one here. It's the rechargeable pen light, 450 lumen rated. It is nice and compact. It does have a clip for your pocket. That's normally priced at $22.99. And they have the deal where it's saving 34%, so it's only going to be $14.99. It's an excellent deal right there. It is also water resistant, IPX7 rated. And it does have high and low modes to it as well. Now the other one that they have, but they are actually out of stock at this store, is the Braun 300 lumen magnetic pocket work light. It's like a small version of this one, but it is rated at 300 lumens. The coupon price is $4.99, saving 37%. It's normally priced at $7.99. And if you're looking for some step drill bits, they have this Bauer 3-piece set. It is oxide. It's number 2, number 3, and number 1. You do different size holes with each one. drill into metal, plastic, and wood. It is normally priced at $19.99, but with the coupon, you're gonna be able to save 25% on that. So it's gonna be $14.99. And they have this Warrior drill and driver bit set. It comes in a nice hard plastic case. It does come with a couple bit holders, as well as 3 different nut drivers and some drill bits that have the 1/4-inch hex shank to them, as well as different bits and screw bits. So that is normally priced at $14.99. You're gonna be able to save 33%, so it's only gonna be $10. So they have deals on both the Bauer and the Hercules cutoff wheels. So for the Bauer, they have, it's a 10-pack of them, normally priced at $7.99, but you'll be able to save 25% on those. So they're gonna be $5.99. And then for the Hercules, that's normally priced at $12.99. They're gonna be priced at $8.99, saving 30%. Now they do have the deal on the Hercules this month currently, where they are $6.99 for ITC members, which you only have until the 30th of the month for that deal. And if you're going to be Rambo for this Halloween, they have this 8-inch Gordon survival hunting knife. It is made of stainless steel blade construction, and the blade is 8 inches. Yeah, that normally priced at $8.99. But with the coupon, you can save 22% on that. So it's going to be $6.99. And you can complete your Rambo costume. And they have a great deal on the Bauer 25-foot slide lock tape measure. It does come with a lifetime warranty. It is normally priced at $9.99, but you'll be able to save 40% on that. So it's going to be $5.99. It's an excellent deal on that. The next deal is on the Chicago Electric welding cart. They have it as rated at 286-pound capacity. It does have different drawers to it. The ball bearing slides. It has a couple caster wheels on the bottom, and then regular like rubber nylon pneumatic wheels in the back at $189.99. But you can save $40 on it, so it's going to be $149.99. And they have these Vulcan Defender Master Welder Series gloves for TIG welding gloves. They have this normally priced at $13.99. But with a coupon, you can save 28% on these, so they're going to be $10. That's an awesome deal. And they have the Chicago Electric 20-amp plasma cutter. It does use a 120 volt input and 20 amp max output to it. It is normally priced at $2.99, but with the coupon, you can save $50 on it, so it's going to be $249.99. And they have this Hercules 4-inch bimetal half-moon blade for oscillating multi-tools. They do have that normally priced at $11.99, but you can save 33% on it, so it's only going to be $8 for that. It's a pretty good deal on these blades because they're really expensive. You can cut into wood, drywall, plastic, wood with nails, as well as soft metal. So pretty decent blade for that price, $8, not bad. And if you missed out during the parking lot sale where they were offering 25% on all Bauer corded tools, well, if you happen to have needed the D-handle drill, 1/2-inch one by Bauer, they have this one that is priced at $59.99 currently. But with the coupon, you can save the 25% on it, so it's only be $44.99. It's a pretty good deal. This is a different store that I normally go to. They have the area of the generators blocked off, and if you happen to miss the sale they were doing this past weekend of the 20% off the Predator generators, well, you actually have a chance to actually save more than the 20% off. On this one here, the Predator 9500 watt super quiet inverter generator with the CO Secure technology. It is going to be priced at $1,800. That's saving $500 on that. So it's an excellent deal on that generator. Other ones that they have is the 3500 watt super quiet inverter. You're going to be saving $50 on that, so it's going to be $749.99. So if you missed out during this weekend where they had the 20% off, then you're not going to be able to save as much. Another option they have is the 4550 watt open frame inverter generator with the CO Secure technology, priced at $649, saving $30. If you are in the Atlas battery platform, so they have this rated as both 80 volt and 40 volt. So the 40 volt it's going to be at 5 amp hour, and the 80 volt is 2.5 amp hour. They normally have that priced at $139.99. With the coupon, you can save $40 on it, so it's only $99.99. And to go with the Atlas battery, you can go with this 300 watt battery powered inverter. It is tool only. It's normally priced at $79.99, but you can save 12% on it. So it's only going to be $69.99. All right, guys, that's going to conclude this video for the top deals to go for the new super coupons they released. Now be sure to subscribe for more of these tool deal videos that I do in the future. And I'll also put a link down below in the description to the actual coupons themselves. There are many more coupons to consider, but those are the ones I went over that have the best savings for the items. All right, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.